44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. The Audi wasn't here yet, but got the Audi right here. The Audi, nice. This is a RS7. RS7. That's nice. I'm coming back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that must sound good. Dang. He said that's stock too. I don't even know if y'all heard that though. That must sound good. Look how big them brakes is though. Them way bigger than our brakes. Them way bigger than our Brembos. That thing crazy. Oh, that tail just popped up. He just popped the tail up on it. I like that. He say this. He say this. Huh?
It's just different.
Yeah, nah, I heard it. I heard it when you started it up. That sounded real good. That was like what I was talking about with that deeper tone.
I hit the RS mode.
Oh, you did?
It had RS1 and RS2 mode.
Yeah.
RS2 stable. What is that? Traction control everything goes off.
Yeah.
So you have nothing to prevent you from whatever.
Yeah.
The chair's pretty chill too.
Yeah, this. Y'all see
Y'all want water or anything?
Yeah, I'll take a water. Now I'm gonna have to come back and do it. Oh yeah, I like this. Let me sit in here. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the lights in there, the roof, this up here, outlet right there.
You need a ride? Hello?
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
You need a ride?
Yes, sir. There you go.
Where you at?
That's crazy.
What happened? You alright?
I like this. I like this. Carbon. No, that's not carbon fiber. Hit this out a little bit for me. Hit this out just a little bit for me. Alright. Yeah. I like how this sound, man. I like how this sound. It's a deeper tone. It's kind of like turbo, like, you know, turbo sound like that. It sound like that. Then you can let this port right here out some.
You want to go around the block real quick?
You want to drive this one too? We can go around the block, you know, come on. I ain't never drove an Audi though. This is my first time driving an Audi.
You need a ride?
Oh, my door's open.
Oh my god.
Clinic?
Oh, man. 44 gang, man. We back with another video, man. Which y'all can see. We're going to get straight to it. But make sure y'all hit that like button on this video. Get it to 1,000 likes. If y'all don't get this one to 1,000 likes, then you won't see the next vehicle. You know what I mean? So, y'all done seen the TRX. Right now, we in the Audi RS7. But, y'all got to get these videos to 1,000 likes, man. If y'all want to see the GT500 and the Hellcat red eye. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. But right now we in the Audi RS7. My first time ever driving an Audi, man. This is I actually like this car. I've been an Audi fan since I seen Turbo Audi and I started paying attention to them. I actually like them. I never paid attention to them until I knew about Turbo Audi, the one he got. But this one right here is the RS7. So this one is 600 horses. You know what I'm saying? It's real quick. Oh yeah, it's quick. I was barely really, I wouldn't even really.
595 horses actually.
595.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 595 on the horsepower on this car. But the thing about that, this is a luxury car too. Like, this is a luxury type car. Anytime you get a luxury car and you got that type of power, me personally, it ain't gotta be as fast as, it ain't gotta have 700 horsepower like the Hellcat. To me, it's just a better vehicle because it's a luxury car and it's almost just as fast. You know what I mean? Like, this is luxury. Show them some of this stuff right in the forehead.
I've been meaning to tell you, you had a mark boot on your forehead.
Look, a mosquito bit me right in the forehead. That's crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, but show them some of these. Got the, y'all can't see the heads up display, but he got the heads up display on her. Got the what the S1? What? Oh, I'm in sport. Am I in sport?
Yep.
So is it a sport 1 and a sport 2?
No, a sport is pretty much the sport drive. So
Okay.
that's when everything opens up and everything else.
Okay. So we in
Jump on the freeway. You see the difference of this one and the Hellcat and Daytona and everything.
yeah, okay. So we're gonna jump on the freeway in this one, man. We're gonna see what the power, the feeling is differently between these two. Well, not these two, but this one and, let's say, can't say the Scat Pack. This one got more horsepower than the Scat Pack. So we'll say a Hellcat. We'll say a Hellcat, man. We'll see how much quicker this one is. If it's quicker, do you know the weight on this? It's probably not. It can't be that much. Not as much as a Hellcat. Who they call hard. That's something I want right there. Hemi wife, if you ever want to surprise me, remember that car.
Okay.
Remember that car right there.
Okay. You remember?
It gotta be if it's an old school Cutlass convertible. If it's convertible, you won. You can't go. You can pop over there, and you can't go wrong. So if it's any type of Cutlass convertible, Chevelle convertible, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't gotta call me and let me know, show it to me or nothing like that. You can bring it on to the app.
Cutlass or Chevelle?
Chevelle.
Convertible.
Oh, Skylark. I'll take a Skylark. I'll take a GS.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Undercover. He's on the fast anyways.
Undercover.
Yeah.
Let them go on up a little bit. Yeah, this is
You can put some hand sanitizer on there. It'll help you stop itching.
on my bumps.
Yeah. Not near your face, but on your, if you itching, you put a little hand sanitizer on there. Stop.
For real?
Yeah, seriously.
70% alcohol.
I ain't thinking it. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey man, I wasn't expecting that. Hey man. Say, that's different. That's different.
It's smooth and
Huh?
I
I wasn't expecting that though.
it accelerates pretty fast.
Yeah, it do. And it show you the power percentage and the torque percentage right here. I wasn't expecting that though. I ain't gonna even lie. That police up here, he ain't. Oh, thank you, brother. Get right in front of me, they block the cop. But that's. Oh yeah, that's pretty quick. That's pretty quick. That's definitely faster than a Scat Pack. I will tell you that. That's definitely faster than a Scat. Definitely. Boy, that might be faster than a Hellcat. That feels kind of faster than a Hellcat though. Yo, that's crazy. What you think about this though?
I like it.
Huh?
It's classy and it's fast.
It's comfortable. What I like about it is it's like I'm sitting. I don't typically like to sit low in cars, but if it's different. It feel like everything is like just boom boom. Like in my car, I gotta to touch the radio. I gotta lean up and do this here. You know what I mean? But here it's just like you just raise your hand up, boop 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 boop.
Yeah.
Everything just right here.
Yeah, it's sporty, but it's also classy.
fast. Hey, that's fast.
I saw that curve coming up and I was like, hold up.
Nah, I would slow down, but that's
That
fast.
thing sticks to the ground. It doesn't have what's the word? It doesn't have, you know how our Hellcats and your Daytona, it has that, like, kind of like if you do a curve, it kind of leans into it or whatever.
Yeah.
This one doesn't.
These just like handle it. It just take the curve through. Those cars, they don't take the curve too good. Let me see.
That sunset is like really pretty.
Get away from us. Yeah, I like this. I like this, man. I like that feel in the cockpit. You know what I mean? I like that feeling. For real. It's like I said, I don't typically like to sit low in cars, but this is comfortable. And I don't even have a seat how I would have it. I don't want to mess with it too much. I had a seat back some more, you know what I'm saying, or something like that. But I'm comfortable like this is what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I'm comfortable, and I hadn't even set my seat up to how I like it. What are you doing? Why is you showing my marble Buddha right here? The mosquito bit me in my forehead.
Let's talk about zoom in.
Yeah.
This is Audi's top of the line car next to that R8.
Oh, okay.
You know which one's the R8, right?
Yeah, that's the one I want.
That's
that sport looking one. Yeah, I want one of them. Now is this one all-wheel drive?
Yes.
That's why. That's another reason why it's so quick.
And it's air ride, bagged all the way.
Okay. But yeah, I like this. I like this Audi, man. This is dope. This is dope. It's kind of weird being in a car this quick, and when you hit the gas, you don't hear no exhaust. Well, you hear it, but you don't hear it like how you hear it in a Charger, obviously. But you can hear it. And these cars, what is this? This is this where is this car made in?
Germany.
German. The German type cars, they exhaust is a little deeper. And I think Mercedes like that.
Foreigners make the best cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check this out real quick. Yeah, the stop sign. You see that driver select?
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click on it. It has dynamic. That's the mode we're in now. Go to, and then you see over there, push it again. Now you see over there, rise.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is it going up? Oh, it's going up. You feel it? You don't feel it?
I didn't feel it.
Yeah,
I can tell the difference now, though. I can tell we're sitting up
you
higher.
can tell we raised up.
Now you push it again. Now you can drop it.
So see if you can feel it now.
You can see like on the hood.
Oh yeah, you see it going down. Now the back going down. So it go
I can
down
feel it.
front, and then, yeah, you feel it.
Yeah, it's real smooth. You can barely feel it.
When you put it in dynamic mode, that means it drops down to the lowest possible setting, and that way it's closer to the ground, more aerodynamic.
Okay. I'm gonna see what this takeoff feel like. Ooh! That thing almost did a wheelie. Boy, it felt like it wanted to lift up. You felt that?
I felt it in my stomach.
I know you did. That's what an all-wheel drive car gonna feel like. Oh man, that's crazy. Oh, you did this car definitely beating these Chargers from the jump for sure. If you're in a quarter mile, this car gonna beat the Hellcat. Well, an eighth of a mile.
Yeah.
In the eighth of a mile, it's gonna be the Hellcat.
It also depends who's driving the Hellcat.
Right. If somebody know how to make that Hellcat get traction, then you might have a problem.
Yeah, they're sitting on some drag right here.
Yeah, might have a little problem, but oh yeah, I like this. That's crazy. I never knew these cars was fast until I first found out about the Audis when Turbo got one. When I seen Turbo with one, I never knew that these cars was fast. I didn't know Benz's was fast. Like, I didn't know none of those cars was fast like that. I just thought they was luxury cars. I didn't know they had those type of engines in them.
It's a bi-turbo V8.
Yeah, so now that I know about cars, I be knowing them. one of these? Huh?
What'd you say?
You want one of these? Huh?
What'd you say?
Do you want one of these? Why is you playing? What is you doing with that camera? So man, they finna get out of here. So we finna get out of here. We coming back to do some more of these cars. Like I say, I'm doing both of those cars. If y'all give me to 1,000 likes, that's the Hellcat Daytona, that's GT500. Y'all give me to 1,000 likes. But this Audi, man, this is the one I just drove. But they gotta get out of here. He got an emergency. So, oh, it do sound like it's still on. He got an emergency, so we finna get up out of here. But yeah, man, we coming back to do those. And he got a red eye, and we're gonna do the Escalade, man. So y'all stay tuned for that.